Welcome to the Four Countrymen, and today we're going to be taking that 212cc Predator engine, 6.5 horsepower engine, and putting it in that mini bike over there, which currently has a 196 engine and is very old, so we're going to be replacing that. And for extra speed and some torque, we're going to be putting in a CVT, so it should go a lot faster. Well, let's get to it. Extra parts we don't need.
Spark plug remover? No.
Oh yeah. That's it.
The reason we got this new engine is because this one has this place in here we can thread in the bolt. Our old engine doesn't have that. It just has where you can put on a nut.
And our old engine's just old and beat
Yeah.
up. And this one's bigger too.
So is the bike, if you look at the bike, but you know.
Like I'm talking.
Alright.
Here's our CVT we bought.
No, you bought.
Well, might be a little too big.
Should be fine. Wow.
Two bolts. Three bolts. That's good.
Alright, so we put spacers on here and we got that up. Now we just gotta get this tightened down so it doesn't come off on us.
That'd suck. You say tighten it a little bit more.
I don't know.
You want it tight. Let's put it down. I mean, I guess we watched the same video, but
There we go.
yeah, there.
Alright, now let's put the chain on.
We can fix that. Yeah.
Elijah is pouring all his money into his mini bike. It's not buying a dirt bike.
And that's not much money, mind you.
And now he's gonna do the first start.
We gotta
We
turn
put
it
oil
on.
in it. We put gas in it.
That's already.
It's very quiet. Maybe they might not have enough oil.
Well, we're not gonna waste our time 20,000 times.
We learned this lesson from the go-kart.
Yeah.
Yeah, you better watch the go-kart video.
That was actually good.
Even though the mini bike's better because it's mine.
Alright,
No.
Roger, have to have it straight up. Roger.
The go-kart has done more.
This will do more though. This will be my death.
This will break Elijah.
No.
Crush me.
I doubt it.
Help him, Danielle.
He's from.
See? It's that oil. Dang, it's quiet. Let it warm up.
Alright, now.
Or gas. Or not. You might have to adjust the idle. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah.
Considering it's never been started, that could be a problem.
What?
It's never been started.
I don't like that metal plank. That is terrible. Micah, hang on. Wait, we gotta put a zip tie on this stupid thing. Oh, so much better.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, keep going. Oh, he's off. I know, that is the best part. They do some speed clocking. See how fast this thing can go. New Predator 212 and a CVT. And it is fast. It is very fast.
Ooh, he's going.
Very good improvement from original. 18,
20.
20. Going up. This is a steep hill too, you guys. Pretty steep hill.
Relatively, yeah.
Yeah.
22
Yeah.
going uphill. That's not bad.
23, 24, 25. Does not have 25. 24 going up the hill. There he is. Some improvement.
Goes.
Oh, dang, no. 28. That was easy. I think probably only did like 20, 25 before.
Yeah.
Is it Florida? So we're at what, 33?
35.
35? What if he can do 40?
Oh, I bet
He is going downhill though. 37, 38,
40.
40, there's 40. It just keeps pulling, guys. If you have one of these, I'd highly recommend the CVT. Probably the best power upgrade you can do if you want more power.
Oh, yeah. And
Especially for money. How much was it, like 60 bucks?
Yeah.
Yeah. He needs to put the cover on it though. It spins against your foot.
I know. That's like a major safety issue.
Just get some speed.
That's a 46. Jeez. I gotta watch my driving on this in that tree.
Hell, I was like, oh, that's all he's got. 38. This is a pretty big hill, guys.
Long.
Yeah, very long.
That's true.
Hear that pop? That was the death stroke of your last motor, just so you know.